Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to select all photos in Google Photos on your iPhone. And let's get started by open Google Photos application, and this application haven't a button right here to select all photos, but we can do something. So firstly, I recommend it to I guess by default you will see this menu, and it's sorted by days, but we can change it to sort by months. So click these three dots and then click at the months. Here we go, and also recommended to click at these three dots again and select stock similar photos. Now you need to press and hold at the first photo and then drag your finger down and select this photo, but it's not the best option. So what we can do also, right here we can select all photos from this sorting. So right now we have a months, and we just click this icon and select all photo what we made in this month. Also we can scroll down and select another months, and so you just click on it. I guess it's the fastest way to select it. And you just press on it, and as you can see, I already selected a lot of photos here, but I have a lot of them. Yeah, and that's it. I've just selected all photos what this application have. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.